Okay, guys, we're at the 9 through 12 online resources. We're going to dig into what Fact Cite has to offer for research besides biographies. There's a whole lot more. Let's click on it. So here's the landing page for the Fact Cite databases from the Lincoln Library. And if you scroll through, here's our biography categories that we typically use: US and World, Shapers. Got the goats over here for your sports champions. But then you can dive into things like World Mythology, American history, defining moments in US history, science, technology, countries and cultures, and essential information. Let's take a quick peek at World Mythology. So you have your Greek and Roman alphabetical here, the Greek gods of Mount Olympus, gods and heroes, charts, all sorts of stuff that you can find. Even the Roman names here. As the differences, we can look at what's the difference between Greek and Roman gods. It should give us a little blurb, a little article about that. Okay. Other differences, yeah. Okay, little information there. Maybe we needed a little bit about the difference between Greek and Roman gods, but we needed to cite it. And again, all citations in FactCite can be exported into Noodle Tools with this Cite in Noodle Tools button down here. Let's go back to mythology. You can look at search by subject here. Maybe you're looking at Titans or the underworld. And then they have world mythology. So maybe we needed to look at some Egyptian mythology. They have an overview. We can look at that. And then the mythological figures. Osiris here, the god of the underworld. Let's click on that. Take a look. Pronunciation. Just the layout is so nice of FactCite, Mythical King. And you can use all sorts of stuff. Yeah, we can look and find more information. You can view all on one page. To get it all on one page, you don't have to scroll through. Pretty long article, looks pretty good. And again, citation tools down at the bottom. Let's go back to the FactCite here. We'll jump into defining moments in U.S. history. We'll take a look at that. So there is historical research here. Defining moments, timelines, Civil War, Underground Railroad, just a lot of interesting stuff that is kind of overlooked when using FactCite. It's more than just biographies. Even science and technology is available. So maybe we're doing something on, physics or elements, scientific method, plants. Let's take a look at the earth science one. Geology. Physical geography, we can take a look at that. Climate, just a lot of really great information here. Countries and cultures, maybe for your country research, similar to using maybe culturegrams. We can look ancient empires, Chinese dynasties, world regions. So again, maybe let's take a look at Spain. That was from my previous example from culturegrams. When we were citing culturegrams, we could take a look at the Spain. Okay. Languages, religions. So again, it has a lot of the same stuff. Sources of further study. Drop down this menu here. Oh, it takes us to different websites we can look at. Country profiles. Just a lot of resources that are available through FactCite. Let's get back to the main page. And again, if you want to look at any of the biography stuff, sports champions, the goats right there. Take a look at what it has. I just like looking at it. Football, quarterback. Let's see what they have for quarterback. There it is, Tom Brady. Take a look at his biography. Ooh. If you ever had to do a Tom Brady biography, again, everything can be cited down here. Okay, that was just a quick overview of what FactCite has to offer besides biography. Again, a lot of great stuff in here. use it to gather background information, kind of complement stuff they may have already found from World Book or other sources of information. But it's something to consider when doing your research.